poppy teeth, banging body beat, everybody beat, on my D, yo, I got it. The bad guy, Chung-Li. Hey, yo, I been on, bitch, you been con, Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on, I mean, I been on, X-Men been on, he keep on dialing Nikki like the prince on, tints on, Fendi prints on, hey, yo, I been off, Laura been cross, place say Chung-Li, drop the bins off.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Taylor and you're on my channel, so Taylor was like, and today I was like, let's just do fall makeup. But as you can see, it's really dark. I have a black background, black lipstick on with multiple layers of everything. So this is one look. I have another look with blue lipstick, and then I'm gonna have another look with a natural nude lip, okay? I don't celebrate Halloween, so if you think this Halloween look, you can use it if you want, but I don't celebrate Halloween. I just like black lipstick. I like dark colors. But anyways, this look was really inspired by Gabbie Hanna, so I'll put her picture right here. Song Honestly and Honestly Encore. It's mainly inspired on Honestly Encore because that's when she went insane. And I relate. But if you listen to it, you see her makeup's kind of like this. I added a little bit more color, and she doesn't have black lipstick, so I'll put like a lipstick that matches hers, and then I'll change the background too. But yeah, that's what basically I was inspired by, and also by Nicki Minaj's song Chung-Li, you know, seen as the bad guy, you know. So, you know, might as well look like one. Look like the bad guy, you know, looking like Ursula. Or, you know, any other bad guy out there that has dark makeup on, but they slaying at the same time. You know what I'm saying? Them Disney villains or whatever. But yeah, that's what this look is inspired by. I hope you enjoyed this video. It won't be that long. I'm gonna stop talking because I don't even like listening to myself talk. So I know you don't. So yeah. Let's get into the video. Okay, let's start priming our eyes with primer. Yeah. Then take Melt Cosmetics. We're gonna take Love Sick, and we're gonna just brush this all over the eye, just all over. Like you can like all over. Oh, that's all you need to do. Next, taking Promiscuous, I think that's how you say it. It's purple, and you're just gonna put this all in your crease. Make sure you blend it because we need a seamless blend, y'all. Seamless. So just pack it in, put it in your crease as high as you want, but as long as you still see Love Sick or any red shade you're using. Now the party starter is Dark Matter. Super black. Like, this is one of the best black eyeshadows I have. So we're just gonna put this all on the lid, and you're gonna blend it into Promiscuous. And yeah, we're just gonna, yeah. right here, I'm just going over with Promiscuous and Lovesick, and I'm just blending it, you know, something that everyone needs to do when they're doing eyeshadow. What colors? Blend. Take your time and blend, y'all. Okay, then you're gonna take a black eyeliner. This is what I'm using, and you're just gonna put it all on your waterline and your lower lash line. You're just gonna put it all over. Make it as messy as you want. It does not have to be perfect because we're about to smudge it out. Like when I say smudge it out, like it's gonna be all on your face. Here we go, smudging it. You're just gonna keep smudging it till you like it. As dark as you want it. Yeah. Next is eyeliner. This is optional. You don't really have to, but I did it because I want to see how it looked. I regret it. But yeah, you can do that too. Staying in the Melt Cosmetics family, we're going to take one of their highlighters and Stargazer is the brightest one, I think. The lightest one they have. So pretty! Just highlight your face. For lashes, we're going to take Jasmine Brown Collection with Eyelure. We're going to take JB. And then we're going to take blush. Blush your face. I don't know what this color is, but blush your face. I got the new Fenty Beauty. They said it's body lava, but I forgot what it's really called. But I got it, and I use it as a topper on top of my highlighter. Y'all, it's prettier than what it looks like, okay? So, just put that all over my face. And then we put mascara. And then we're going to use glitter eyeliner, and I'm going to put it on my lower lashes. So I just pick it and just paint on top of it, basically. If you would like to know the lip products that I use, comment below and I'll answer you, but I didn't feel like saying all of it because it's a lot. Thanks for watching! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like this lip better. I like it better too because I like dark things, but that was intense. I was like, whoa. I liked it. The black background, black lip, and black eyeshadow, black lashes, black everything was a little much. You didn't even know I had hair. I looked bald. I looked like a peanut. But I hope you like this video better. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment which one to see next. Comment if you liked. Tell me which lip you like better. Did you like the blue? Did you like the black multicolor? Or do you like this nude lip? I'm pretty sure you like nude, but comment anyways. Yeah. Follow me on Instagram down below. My link will be below. My name will also be on the screen. Don't know when, but it'll be there. And spam my Instagram for a spam back. Yeah. Spam my Instagram with likes. I'ma like your pictures all the way back, you know? And make sure you comment on a picture and be like, I came from YouTube or something. Came from your channel. Whatever. Hope you like this video. Comment, subscribe like I already said, and subscribe. Yeah.